Tunay na dahilan ng hiwalayan nila Geraldine at Josh Blackman, palaisipan ngayon sa mga netizens. Matapos mag-trending sa social media, ang anunsyong ginawa ni Geraldine Blackman patungkol sa hiwalayan nila ng kanyang Australian husband na si Josh ay nananatili pa ring palaisipan para sa mga netizens. Kung ano nga ba ang tunay na naging dahilan para mauwi ang dalawa sa hiwalayan. Bagamat maraming netizens ang umaasa na sana ay prank lamang ito, maraming netizens naman ang hindi maiwasang mag-espekula sa tunay na dahilan nga. Sa mga hindi nakakakilala kina Geraldine at Josh Blackman, sila ang bumubuo sa The Blackman family kasama ang kanilang mga anak na sina Jet at Nemo. Samantala, narito naman ang naging komento ng mga netizens at ng mga followers ng The Blackman family. Ayon sa isa, go back the way you were. Without social media, your family are too much exposed in social media. Your children deserved a peaceful and normal life. But I hope the part 2 you can say it's a prank. Fame always comes with a price. Ayon sa isang netizen ay hindi siya naniniwala na for the content lamang ang ginawang anunsyo na ito ni Geraldine. Aniya, I don't think this is something na for the content only. Also, I've noticed recently sa mga videos nila wala si Josh. Kaya siguro dahil nga totoo. But we're really hoping na joke lang ito. Hirit naman ng isa. I guess Josh is just tired. Take a social media break. Maybe that's what your family needs. I pray that everything will go well to your family. So that's why Josh was already missing in all their vlogs. Just throwbacks with Josh. Pray harder that your family gets to be okay. Seeing your post the other day with you expecting flowers from Josh, and seeing all those throwback photos when Jet and Nemo were so little and carrying by Josh, and then seeing your post right now, it makes my heart broken. Mahabang komento naman ng isa pang social media user. I'm really sorry to hear about what you're both going through. Facing a separation is tough, and my heart goes out to you. For those of us who follow your journey, this serves as a valuable reminder to always put our families and partners first, even when life gets busy. I'm not suggesting you did anything wrong, but it's something for all of us to think about. Life can easily distract us with work, hobbies, or commitments. We need to ensure we don't forget our responsibilities to our loved ones. As the saying goes, we don't get cold if we have nothing to warm up to. Hindi ka manlalamig sa relasyon kung wala kang pinag-iinitang iba. It doesn't necessarily mean that a third person is involved. This doesn't mean that it has to be a third person. Sometimes it's the daily demands of life, our jobs, or even our hobbies, like blogging, that can pull us away from what matters most. The first reason that comes into my mind after you announce your separation is maybe private life is what Josh want. To feel better and talk then and hopefully everything will be okay. Hiling naman ng isa pang netizen. Sana stop overexposing your kids sa social media. I hope you prioritize your family more than your content. Masyado na kayong kinain ng social media and that is so sad. Airing out everything on social media. I hope this isn't a prank, since she even said that it's her husband who brought her back to Christianity. You cannot include things about God as part of your prank para lang magka-views. I think she's telling the truth. May ilang netizens naman ang hindi natutuwa kung anila na for the content lamang ito. If this will be for content only, then I will unfollow you. So disappointing. If you are truly a Christian, then you will understand that separation is not God's will. Save your marriage. I'm so annoyed right now. Ay naman sa isa pa. I'm not surprised anymore. I don't know, but even if they post happy and funny videos, I can feel or sense something is not right. I think Josh misses the old Geraldine and he couldn't find her anymore. Hope they can still sort things out. Sayang ang family na nasimulan at the same time nagpasikat sa inyo. kapalit ng kasikatan sa social media at pagyakap sa social circle, endorsements, physical enhancement, and a luxurious lifestyle ay pagkasira ng marriage and family. Sana family first. Hold on to it and not on what fame gives you. Josh looks neglected sa mga recent videos and looks like having depression too. Masyado na pong OA ang content nila, minsan kahit CCTV videos, ia-upload pa. Wala nang privacy, tapos si Geraldine, puro pa flex ng sarili at mga material things sa social media. Josh looks like a simple man and maybe wants a simple life. Yung mga bata overexposure na sa social media. Sayang naman, para kasing ayaw ni Josh mag-content, pinipilit lang siya ni Geraldine.